it's me, Melanie, and for today's video, we are going to make this paper folder. I made this last Sunday and I never thought that I'll have 10 different designs. And if you're wondering, this doesn't require cutting or even using a glue. So the story behind this paper folding project that I'm making right now is that last Sunday I got bored and couldn't sleep, and I tried making this paper folding things and it came out nice, and I end up making 10 designs. I never thought I would make 10 designs in just 2 days, but yeah, it was fun and really addicting, so I ended up doing a bunch of it. So before we proceed to the tutorial, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on my craft account on Instagram at it's papergray.co. Sorry for that. Please bear with me because I'm new with this tutorial. I don't do tutorials like this before, but yeah, I'm using a rectangular shaped paper. You could use any paper that is rectangular. This paper is from National Bookstore, a jotter pad to be exact. Okay, so fold it in half and then make a semi-triangle on both sides of it, and then flip it up. Just fold it and make another 2 semi-triangles. So now we are going to fold the end part of the triangle or the bottom part until it reaches the middle part of the paper. So we are going to do this for both triangles. So we are going to fold it again and make sure that all the flaps are hidden. For the final fold, all you have to do is fold it in half and we're done. Enjoy filling it up with stationeries and mementos. Next Friday, I'll be uploading a new tutorial for paper folding, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching!